Good morning. It is Monday, January the 10th, and this is the winter blast of Atlanta 2011. And I'm just showing all my fellow Clevelanders the snow. We don't even have a sidewalk anymore. There's probably about 8 inches of snow out here, which this is the most I've seen ever since I lived in Atlanta, and that's been probably 7 or 8 years. I think it's going on 8 years. Yeah, so for all my Cleveland fam, this one is definitely a historical thing for Georgia. No one can get in or out. Let's see, this is the drive to go to the cars. Unlike Cleveland or any other place that has snow, there is no way to even get out of your drive if you had an emergency. So, it's very cold, and now it's starting to rain. It's not even liquid, it's ice. And I'm going to go back in, put this thing on YouTube. Stay warm, and we're hoping that there is no power outages in our area because the national championship comes on. Okay, that's at 8:30 tonight, Eastern Time. Bye.